G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today talking about with opportunity comes risk. One of the most important things to focus on in the session that you're trading is targeting the highest probability opportunities. There's no certainties in the market, only probabilities and possibilities, as Bill McLaren used to tell me. When you go to the screen, several traders have asked me, how do you narrow down the instruments to 1 or 2 or 3 in terms of targeting a best trade setup? And one of the key things that you should be able to go through right away is understanding that previous days, highs and lows, whether there's been a false break, as we've talked about, and a potential reversal, or if the market has extended the range on a day 2 or a day 3 and put a new high or low into place in the session that you're trading. Inevitably, in most circumstances, the market will, at the open of the next trading session, whether that be Asia, London, or New York, will move up or down into that extreme, either trapping traders into a squeeze or hitting stops, triggering breakouts, and then potentially either continuing to extend the range or reversing for a parabolic reversal setup back to the other extreme. The question you need to always ask yourself is, who is in the money? So a trader from a previous session who is potentially in a profitable trade or previous day or week, and if they haven't taken money off the table, are they losing profits, paper profits, or are they still making money? So if a market has broken out versus triggering breakouts, those profits will continue to grow. If the market is eating back into profitable traders, it's a stop hunt to some degree, or even a potential reversal. The number one thing to control is yourself in terms of managing risk, and then understanding asymmetrical risk reward. Whenever a market gets to a new high or a new low, that's where it becomes most vulnerable to that trend failing or that breakout failing. And then asking yourself, does this fit the profile of a best trade setup? And if it does, what do I need to see for it to complete a pattern and give me an entry signal? How am I going to manage my risk? And what is the potential for the upside on this trade for a session trade, or 3 levels for an extended range expansion for a possible scalable trade setup? So these are all the questions that, again, we walk through in that section, putting it all together. And then just going back through the playbook, understanding the big picture. 3 days, 3 sessions. 3 days are different than day 3 breakouts. So remembering that when a market breaks out for the first time, a new daily high or new daily low, that is day 1 of breakout traders. That is different than a 3-day setup. So focus on targeting the highest probability opportunities in the session that you're trading. Understand the time of day, how significant and important the time of day is to everything that happens. And start the week off strong. We're 2nd week of January. We've already had some massive opportunities. It's only going to continue. Have a great week, traders. Start it off strong, finish it even stronger. Keep going and keep growing, and may the markets go with you.